Hey guys, it's me, CoolManJoe720, and I'm going to do something that I haven't done for a while. Sky high. Alrighty, so I made a video earlier. It's called I'm Back. I'm just really happy that I get to record for you guys. So, I'm going to do a big giveaway. I will not tell you. I'm going to tell you in the next video that I make, because it's going to be the giveaway. As some of you know, I've had a pink purse giveaway. Oh, I hit the 0 instead. Oops. Let's do this again. Oh yeah. So I've had a giveaway before, and it was for a pink purse. I took that off my channel, so because I know that it wasn't that big of a beta. I just traded it off, so yeah. Okay. So I got 10 subscribers, and I'm going to celebrate. So that's why I'm doing the giveaway. Yeah. So once I hit 30 subscribers, I'm gonna do a really big giveaway, and not just that, but a lot more than that. So yeah. Today I just got 10 subscribers. It meant a lot of me to I still can't talk. It meant a lot to me because that makes me know that people watch my videos. In my earlier video, I told you that the Broncos game was on. It's still on. Yeah. We live in Colorado. And so if you're wondering if I live in the United States or not, well, now you know. Alright, so can you guys do me a favor and tell your friends about my videos? Because I know that you wouldn't just subscribe because you're bored. I would never do that. I mean, probably I would, but that's just me. But just don't do that because you just want to. I don't really like that. I want you guys to subscribe for me for my videos, not because, oh, he makes Animal Jam videos, I better subscribe. No. I'd rather you not subscribe for me than just sub. I'd rather you guys not subscribe for me if you're not even gonna watch my videos. Heck, I'd rather have no subscribers than people that just subscribe because it's their enjoyment. So, just letting you know. But yeah, please tell your friends about this because it would mean a lot to me. Yeah. Alright. So, as all of you know that it's Christmas, well, it's close to Christmas. Sorry. And you get presents and stuff. Well, in the giveaway, when I'm going, well, since I am doing the giveaway, you need to leave your username and your status, member, non-member, close to be a member, losing membership soon. And yeah, I'll explain it all in the next video. But here's another reason why I'm doing, it's lagging. But here's another reason why I'm doing the giveaway. It's because it's close to Christmas, and you always want a gift for Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna deliver it to you on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. Probably Christmas Day, because my family always does something on Christmas Eve. And on Christmas Day, me and my dad don't do much. We just like open the presents, maybe watch a movie. And, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Oh. I'll keep it. I like freedom hats. Let's exit. Oh, ×2 is off. Wow. I want rare gazelle horns. Before I end this, I'm going to trade. Would that just be an overtrade? I think so. Yeah, that's gonna be it. Actually, take that out and replace that with whatever. Okay. Would you accept? Oh. Well. That's for all. Ugh. See? Can't even talk. I'm just like my teacher. So, that's all for now. As you know, I'm CoolManJoe720. Subscribe, like, and comment. Alrighty. Thank you guys for subscribing and just being awesome. Alright. See you guys.